NFT art creation, designing and selling digital art as non-fungible tokens. Welcome to Income Ideas Insider, where we explore the exciting world of NFT art creation and sales. The advent of blockchain technology has revolutionized numerous industries, including the art world. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, have emerged as a novel way to create, own, and sell digital art. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies, NFTs are unique digital assets verified using blockchain, ensuring their authenticity and ownership. This has opened new avenues for artists to monetize their work and reach global audiences. This guide delves into the intricacies of creating and selling NFT art, highlighting essential steps and considerations. Before we begin, make sure to smash that like button and hit the subscribe for more exciting content. Number 10. Understanding NFTs and digital ownership. NFTs are digital certificates of ownership that are indivisible and unique, representing ownership of a specific item, such as digital art. Unlike cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which are fungible and can be exchanged one for one, NFTs are unique and cannot be replaced with something else. This uniqueness makes NFTs perfect for digital art, where each piece can be sold as a one-of-a-kind creation, ensuring that the buyer owns an original work. The blockchain technology underlying NFTs provides a secure and verifiable way to prove ownership and authenticity, making it impossible to forge or duplicate the digital art. This adds significant value to digital creations, attracting artists and collectors to the NFT space. Number 9. Selecting the right platform. Choosing the right platform is crucial for creating and selling NFT art. Marketplaces like OpenSea, Rarible, and Foundation each offer unique features, fees, and communities. Some platforms are curated and require an invitation, while others are open to everyone. Artists should research these options to find the one that best aligns with their needs and goals, considering factors such as ease of use, audience reach, and fee structure. Selecting the appropriate platform can significantly impact the visibility and sale potential of your NFT art, making this decision an essential step in the NFT creation process. Number 8. Creating digital art. The creation of digital art can be accomplished using various tools and software. Popular options include Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and Procreate, among others. These tools offer extensive features that cater to different artistic needs, from detailed illustrations to complex animations. Artists should focus on their creativity and distinctive style, as unique and high-quality art is more likely to attract buyers in the competitive NFT market. The digital format allows for a wide range of possibilities, including static images, dynamic animations, and interactive pieces. This versatility enables artists to experiment with new techniques and styles, continually pushing the boundaries of their creativity and expanding their potential audience. Number 7. Minting your NFT. Minting is the process of creating an NFT on a blockchain by uploading your digital art to an NFT marketplace and following specific steps to convert your file into an NFT. This process typically requires paying a fee known as a gas fee, which covers the cost of processing the transaction on the blockchain. Once minted, your NFT is listed on the marketplace, ready for sale. This ensures your digital art is uniquely identifiable and linked to your ownership, providing buyers with a certified original piece. Minting is essential for establishing authenticity and enabling the secure transfer of digital art ownership. Number 6. Setting the right price. Pricing your NFT art is crucial and can significantly influence its sale. Artists need to consider the piece's uniqueness, their reputation, and current market trends. While it's essential not to undervalue your work, being realistic about what collectors are willing to pay is equally important. Some NFT platforms offer auction-style listings where the market determines the final price through bidding. This approach can be advantageous, especially for emerging artists, as it allows the demand to naturally set the price, potentially leading to higher sales and greater visibility in the NFT community. Number 5. Marketing your NFT art. Effective marketing is essential to attract potential buyers. Artists should leverage social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok to showcase their work and build a following. Engaging with the NFT community through forums, groups, and collaborations can also help increase visibility. Additionally, providing a backstory or concept behind the art can make it more appealing to collectors. Sharing the inspiration and creative process behind each piece not only engages potential buyers, but also adds a personal touch that can drive interest and sales. Consistent interaction with followers and the broader community is key to successful NFT marketing. Number 4. Understanding legal and copyright issues. Legal considerations are important when creating and selling NFT art. Artists must ensure they hold the copyright to their work and are not infringing on others' intellectual property. Selling an NFT does not automatically transfer the copyright unless explicitly stated. It's advisable to consult with a legal expert to understand the implications and to protect one's work. Number 3. Managing royalties. One of the benefits of NFTs is the ability to earn royalties into the smart contract. This ensures that artists receive a percentage of sales each time their NFT is resold in the secondary market. Platforms usually allow setting a royalty percentage during the minting process. This feature helps artists benefit from the long-term value of their work. Number 2. Community building. Building a community around your art can significantly enhance its value and desirability. Artists should engage with their audience by sharing updates, hosting virtual events, and participating in discussions. A strong community can provide support, feedback, and advocacy, leading to greater recognition and sales. Active engagement fosters a sense of belonging and loyalty among followers, strengthening the bond between artist and audience. Number 1. Future trends and opportunities. The NFT space is rapidly evolving, with new trends and technologies constantly emerging. Artists should stay informed about developments such as virtual reality galleries, augmented reality experiences, and new blockchain platforms. These advancements offer exciting opportunities to present and sell art in innovative ways. Adapting to these trends can open up new creative possibilities and revenue streams, ensuring that artists remain at the forefront of the digital art revolution. By exploring and integrating these cutting-edge technologies, artists can enhance the viewer's experience, making their work more immersive and engaging. Staying updated with the latest trends allows artists to continually innovate, attract a broader audience, and maximize the potential of their digital art creations. Conclusion: creating and selling NFT art offers exciting opportunities for artists to monetize their work and connect with a global audience. By understanding the intricacies of NFTs, selecting the right platforms, marketing effectively, and staying informed about industry trends, artists can successfully navigate this new digital frontier. The future of art is digital, and NFTs are paving the way for unprecedented creative and financial possibilities. If you find our videos helpful, don't forget to share, subscribe, and hit the like button to support our channel.